So here are Cali and Diego's 9 puppies. There are 6 males and 3 females. They were born August 31st, a Saturday, long weekend. And so far they're doing well in nursing, but I'm still keeping an eye on them. They're still very young and fragile, so I'm sleeping with them and everything like that. But yeah, they're gorgeous. Pretty litter. So 5 days old. Nursing away. Hey, Callie's a great mother. Hey, Callie, very devoted. Keeps them clean and well fed. Good girl, Callie. So get closer in. You can see the little darlings. All they want now is mom, and mom does a spectacular job. Good girl, Callie. There you go. Very dedicated. She goes in when it's time. She knows she has them on a schedule. All right. Callie and Diego's 9 puppies. 6 males, 3 females. Black and white. And they're all going to have some sort of silver. Various shades of silver with that white. Do you see the 2 white looking ones? They're all going to be silver. You can already see the one turning on his ears. Okay.